Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our Air Lite mini arch. Okay. All right, so we're on our Air Lite showcase door today. You probably noticed the arch. So we didn't know what to come up with when we came up with the shape. It's not a regular arch, and it's not a full arch, and it's not a small arch. So we just decided to call it a mini arch. So this is our little mini arch. Since I drive Mini Coopers, this was a perfect Mini Cooper name. I'm just kidding. It's just, we couldn't come up with a name, so we called them mini arch. So here's our little Pinky's mini arch. This is a black door with frost glass. It's an Air Lite. We make this door in different shapes. We make it in flat top, full arch, regular arch, however you want to make it. Single door, double door. The Air Lite, which is basically a big piece of glass door. Cool thing about this door is we use the smallest materials possible for around the glass. This allows you to get the biggest piece of glass in, or the biggest surface of glass with the opening of the door. We make this door in different glass also. We try to stock it, and in different sizes and stuff like that also. This is our first door that has a removable threshold. This piece unscrews from the side. You can remove it. The reason why we did that is you can use this for if you want to use it on a wine cellar door, or on a interior door, or on a storefront, anything that you want to have continuous flooring, that threshold isn't getting in your way. So that comes off. You can do whatever you want with it, and you can leave it on if you want, whatever you like. This is also a 4-inch door. Almost all of our Air Lites are 4 inches. Okay, so keep an eye out on the drop down, so you'll see the jamb size, because 99% of our doors are 6 inches. This is our first door we started bringing out as a 4-inch jamb. There isn't too much talk about this door. It's just sweet, awesome, simple, and you can do a lot with this door, and especially with that top. I can see it in some pretty cool houses. This is all dual glaze 5/8 thick tempered glass. I know that we're going to get asked how easy is it to break into this door. It's a pretty thick door. It's quarter-inch, almost quarter-inch glass. 2 pieces of quarter-inch glass with a quarter-inch spacer in the middle. It's tempered, so it's going to be pretty tough. But at the end of the day, it's glass. And if somebody really wants to get in, they're going to have to break this big piece of glass, which will make a lot of noise because this is all metal. And for them to try to pry into the door will be a lot harder. And they'll actually end up breaking the glass no matter what, because for you to pry in here enough for the lock to deactivate, that's going to compress and break the glass. So they'll probably go through a window or a neighbor's house, or just bypass that house or neighborhood, hopefully. But let me flip this around, show you guys what the other side looks like. Interior side of the Air Lite. Again, super simple. We have roller catches on all the doors. This will save the locks from if you have a windy day or live in a windy area and the door vibrates, it'll save the latch from breaking over time if you use a really inexpensive hardware. All our doors are pre-drilled, pre-tapped. We fill it with foam also, and that allows it so it doesn't sound hollow, and it doesn't build up moisture inside over time. They're all greasable hinges, so you can grease up the hinges while the door is on there. You don't have to take the door off to put some grease inside the hinges. Key part about this is, guys, look how small the tubes are. This is the minimum amount of tube we can put to have enough glass bite to actually hold the glass in. And if you compare this to a aluminum or wood door this size, you know, you're gonna have about 46 inches of aluminum or wood to hold this kind of glass in, because, or more actually, because of the weight of the glass. You need a lot more surface area, but because we're using steel or iron, whichever term you want to use, this allows us to carry a lot more weight because it can hold a lot more weight and still stay true. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys liked the mini arch, and we'll see you guys on the next tour. Thank you guys. Hi everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed our Air Lite mini arch Air Lite showcase door today. If you guys have any questions, contact us at info@pinkiesirondoors.com, or you can call us 844-843-6677, or you can leave us some comments and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you guys. Appreciate it.